Shouldn't fall down. What is that? And washer. So you have to know where it came from, the washer. Or from up there. Okay. Okay. The shoe shouldn't fall down. Okay.
That packing, you put it there.
No, that is part of the shoe.
It is supposed to be this
On both sides. It is on three corners. So the corner on this side is worn out. The corner on the guide itself is still there, but you see it is also
it is folded.
It is folded.
You
So
can see it is broken.
So soon it will start now wobbling. Balang, 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 balang. You start making noise.
You can see it is broken.
Yeah. It is. So look, so this is the shoe plate. It just sits in there. It comes dressed. It is dressed in there. And that's dissolving. Okay, so that is it. So